Model 2008 Renault Master 2.5 DCI Camper Project Minibus MOTED ready to go. Body blue. Minibus mileage 115123 MOT. The 23rd of January 2024. Engine 2464 cc G9 UA6 150th bhpa. Transmission 6-speed manual. Front wheel drive. Mechanical summary. Starts perfect. Runs perfect. No warning lights on the dash. Grin condition summary. Bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features: 2 former keepers, part service history, aircon EU status, Euro 4 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.